Hi everyone, here's a quick tip to help you save your brush pen tips. So this is my KellyCreates Dream Pen. We have two ends, a large tip and a smaller tip. And I'm going to show you how to hold it again, but this time I'm going to tell you about a bit of an adjustment to make. So I'm going to use a larger tip pen. So I have my pen parallel to my paper. My paper, I'm right-handed, is going to be tilted this way. If you're left-handed, you're going to tilt it this way. By the way, this lined paper is from my KellyCreates Eat, Sleep, Write, Repeat lined paper pad. So I'm going to tilt my paper this way, and a good thing to do is put your pen parallel to the top edge of the paper, put your hand down, pick up your pen, place it in there, take off the cap. I put my cap back on the top like this, and you hold it high on the barrel. But even though some of you are holding it high on the barrel, you know what you're doing? You don't have the correct angle to the paper. You actually are holding your pen upright like this. And often your pinky finger is lifting your pen up to this point, and you are creating this really high, larger angle than it should be. Your pen should almost be horizontal. I've adjusted the camera angle so you can see the angle the pen has to be on the paper. See how high I'm holding it on the barrel? Above that swash mark. And now if I lay my pen down, you can see the angle the brush tip is on the paper when I draw. What I don't want you to do is go into an upright angle like this and put too much pressure on the brush tip like that. You are going to go through your brush tips really quickly and damage them if you hold your brush tip up like this. So let's look at the downstroke close up like this. That was an upstroke, here's a downstroke. Do you see how I am not putting so much pressure on my brush tip pen when I hold it at this horizontal low angle? A lot of you want to choke up on your pen like this, and when you do that, you hold it upright, and then how do you get that thick downstroke? You really have to push so hard on that brush tip, and you're not going to lay down the whole tip very easily onto the paper. So move your grip up higher on the barrel like this, and then you adjust your grip, your position of your pen from upright to always horizontal. And then you'll have really smooth sailing with your brush pens, and they will last a lot longer. Okay, thanks for watching.